Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we are going to be talking about is the Sharper Image Bluetooth wireless headphones. Yes, I like these a lot. These are the headphones that I use to exercise in. Now, I know a lot of people are into the wireless headphones that are kind of smaller than these, just enough to cover your ears, but I like the comfort and the weight of the heavier ones. It's just my preference because the way these cushions fit around the ear, it just puts you in the music. It makes you feel like you're in the place where the music is being played. It just feels like that to me. I really like having big cushioned ear pads around my ears when I listen to my music and while I'm exercising. Yeah, and these pair really easy, very easy to your cell phone. It's compatible with iPad and Android cell phones. It's really, really good. It rechargeable lithium battery inside, and the battery lasts really a long time. I mean, if you charge it in, say, in the morning and say you start using it, you won't have to charge it again after using it for maybe 2 to 3 hours. It's really, really good. I mean, I don't know if that's standard or not, but it lasts for a good long time. Yeah, that's my experience anyway. It has a built-in microphone because it's Bluetooth. That you can get your phone calls. You can actually answer your phone calls with this on. So the microphone that's built in will, pick up your voice if you're answering your phone calls. It has on the side here a dial here that brings up the sound, the volume, which is really cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. And they're very, very comfortable. Really, really comfortable. I like them. I've had these for a good, I'll say, 2 years, and they're very comfortable. Now, this pad here, like I said, I use these to exercise, so I sweat while I'm exercising. Sometimes I'll have to say that it gets a little wet and damp just from my sweat, and this is kind of an imitation leather here, so it kind of makes it a little bit even worse as far as the sweating situation. But I deal with it just because I like the weight, the sound of the music with the heavy headphones on. But if I'm not exercising and I'm just listening to music and I have these on, I don't sweat with them, and it's very comfortable. This cushion here is very, very soft. Yeah, this padding in here really makes for good comfort on both sides. It's very good. Yeah, I like it. And these are not too crazy heavy to where you're like, oh gosh, this is weighing down my head. It's not like that. It's comfortable, just enough, So, and it's this bar in the middle is flexible, so it adheres to any shape of head, and these sides expand on both sides to fit the head of the user. Yeah, very accommodating. Yeah, I like this a lot. It was an actual gift to me a few years ago, and I was very appreciative. Before that, I was using headphones that were wired. that's kind of, I mean, those are okay too. I have several wired ones, but if you're going to exercise, wireless is the way to go. And these do the job. They really do. And the sound is phenomenal. The sound really comes through very well. It's really, you can really feel the fidelity of the sound. It's really good. I am very interested in getting another pair, but I've only seen these, I think, in black. I would like to get a white pair, or maybe even a red pair, just to be kind of retro. Yeah, but I don't. I know they're not very expensive. These are very affordable because even though these were a gift, I've seen them in the store, and they're very affordable. But I've only seen them in black. But they're good. They're really good headphones, and you'll get a lot of wear out of them. Yeah. So yeah, that is the Sharper Image Bluetooth wireless headphones. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.